Hello kids, how are you? Welcome back to channel. Today learn alphabets A to Z. Kids class name green color, yellow color, black color, red color, blue color, yellow color. Kids now coloring alphabets A to Z. Kids first draw A. A is for apple, A is for ant, and use green color. Kids again use green color and draw B. B is for ball, B is for bat. Kids now draw C. C is for cat, C is for car. Kids now draw D. D is for dog, D is for doll, and use yellow color. Kids again use yellow color and draw E. E is for egg, E is for elephant. Kids now draw F. F is for fish, F is for fan. Kids now draw G. G is for goat, G is for grapes. Kids now draw H. H is for hen, H is for helicopter, and use black color. I. I is for ice, I is for ice cream. J. J is for joker, J is for jackfruit. Kids now draw K. K is for kite, K is for kangaroo, and use red color. Kids now draw L. L is for lion, L is for lemon, and again use red color. M. M is for moon, M is for mango. Kids again use red color and draw N. N is for nose, N is for nest. Kids now draw O. O is for orange, O is for octopus, and use blue color. Kids again use blue color and draw P. P is for parrot, P is for penguin. Kids now draw Q. Q is for queen, Q is for quail. Kids now draw R. R is for rose, R is for rat, and use yellow ochre color. Kids again use yellow ochre color and draw S. S is for sun, S is for sheep. Kids now draw T. T is for teacher, T is for tiger. Kids again use yellow ochre color and draw U. U is for umbrella, U is for uncle. Kids now draw V. V is for van, V is for vanilla, and use green color. W. W is for wolf, W is for watch. It's again use green color and draw X. X is for X-ray, X is for xylophone. It's neither Y. Y is for yak. Y is for yeah. And use yellow color. Yellow color. Kids, again use yellow color and draw Z. Z is for zoo. Z is for zebra. Kids, today draw A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.